We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yes, Christ TV. It's your girl, Samantha, and it's Isha God's Flower, trying to give you a little something for this Christmas and this festive season that is upon us. Yes, it is yet again another festive season, this time around the 2018 into 2019. Hoping and trusting that you guys are so excited and geared up for what is coming to you this festive season, and of course in the year that's coming. And remember to celebrate it in style. I'm talking about the festive season, obviously. Remember, we celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. Jesus himself is love, so it's all about showing somebody some love. Whatever you can do for anyone, just make sure you do something to show someone some love and to make them feel loved. And also, I hope that you have written down your resolutions for next year. Man, it's all about planning, it's all about preparing. Make sure you get to that. But all the same, Merry Christmas and a prosperous and fruitful 2019. Good tidings we bring for you and for me. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.